Cole. Wake up. Wake up. Good afternoon, and virtually nobody knows what that was about. Let's just say, don't fall asleep watching YouTube and then wake up with a start. Long story. Right, today's escapades with the workshop. I'm working on Bumblebee. I've just been running it. What I'll do now is just insert a couple of the thermal image pictures that I took when I was checking it was running on all 4 cylinders, because the advantage with the thermal camera or the thermal lens in the camera is that you can look at it and immediately tell if one of the cylinders isn't running properly. That's the joy of the 8-pot. Sometimes it'll foul a plug, and especially with the fueling being a little bit iffy now that I've all the cam timing back to what it probably should have been. But that's a long story. So what I'm going to do is, I've run it, as I said, I've run it for 5 minutes, no oil leaks yet, touch wood. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put Sumpguard back on. I ain't going to film it, but if you want to see me put a Sumpguard back on and do all the modifications that I did to make a Sumpguard fit, there's a video from maybe 2 years back. Quite some while ago anyway, so there'll be a link down below in the description for that. And yeah, so what I'm going to do, just crack on with fitting the Sumpguard, and then I'm going to go over there and continue working on Bumblebee to get the engine out for the gearbox change. At the moment the oil's just draining, and then after that I'm going to faff on and drain the water and continue stripping out all the bits and pieces in the engine bay. And as you can see, I've got the old PPE on again, because it's 10 degrees colder than it was yesterday. Yesterday was shorts and t-shirt weather, today isn't. Sumpguard's back on. That means with that bit of success, that's it for Austin. I nearly forgot what the car was called. That's it for Austin for the moment. Next job will be some road testing. I need my laptop to tweak the map, because I did tweak the fueling map last time I rebuilt the engine, and I've altered the cam timing back to what I think it should be now. But that's a different story. So I need the laptop before I can do any road miles. And there's the wiper arms to push back on, and we're good to go, I think. So it'd be good to drive that for the first time in a year and a bit when the lockdown ends. So with that bit of success done, you know what that means? Brew time. So that might be about it for today. As per usual, like, comment, subscribe, all the usual, and I'll see you on the next video, which will be, I don't know, probably more work on Bumblebee, I think. I still haven't got the gearbox done yet, so it might be something to do with that. We'll have to wait and see. But anyway, that's it. Bye for now, and I'll see you next time.